I'm here today with an Empties video. I haven't filmed one of these in so long. I had one go up on my channel not too far back, but that was filmed like months and months and months ago. So this is a more current one of a lot of things that I finished up. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video. You decided to stay a while, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And let's jump into my Empties. So I personally really love Empties videos because it allows you to see if people really liked products because they finished it up. You have a good feeling whether you like or dislike a product, whether you'll repurchase it or not by the time you're done using it, okay? So we have quite a few things here, body care, makeup, all sorts of stuff. So the first, let's do some, what's on top here? I have a couple body washes. This is the Method Moisturizing Body Wash in White Tea. This one was okay. It's very, very basic. I usually buy Bath & Body Works, but I was like, I'm at Target. Let's just try some new stuff. These are obviously far less expensive. So it was nice. Will I repurchase it? Probably, but it's not something that I'm like running out to go get. This Tone Mango Splash Cocoa Butter Papaya, another one. It was nice. It smelled good, but I'm not like running out, racing out to go buy it again. They lasted a really long time. I do love that this one has a pump. So they were fine, but again, like nothing to write home about. They're just basic body washes. Moisturizing Shave Gel. This is the Up and Up brand. Every once in a while, I get a wild hair at my butt and I decide, let's use a shave gel. Or shave foam. I usually just use my body wash, but I got a shave gel. It's fine. I don't usually buy these. Just every once in a while, I, get excited and decide to try something new. So this one was just fine. Don't really know why I bought it, but it was good. So it's just shave gel. My wipes, you guys know these are my favorite. Kirkland wipes. You can get them from Costco. You can get them from Amazon. I just use them to wipe off swatches. Occasionally I use them to wipe off makeup, but very rarely. I usually use a cleansing oil to do that, but they're nice and I always buy them. Shiseido facial wipes. I'm sure there's like another one of these somewhere in here. These are my favorite cotton. Yes, continue to repurchase. I've been using them for years. This, I'm so sad. I think they discontinued this because you can't buy it at Sephora anymore. I bought these. They were on the clearance rack in my JCPenney's, and it's like the best smelling, one of the most amazing dry shampoos of all time. The white Nirvana, so good. If it's still available, please let me know because I will definitely like buy a bunch of them. This is a dry shampoo, however, I did not like. The Herbal Essence White Strawberry Sweet Mint. I like the smell of it, but it made my hair so wet and then it didn't absorb any oil. So this was a no-go for me. I would not repurchase that. And I have another one of these. So I had two. They had two of them on the clearance rack. I bought them and used them. Wonderful. Pass. So both of these are really good. This one, the Marshmallow Saint-Tropez, smells like marshmallows. It's delightful. I like it. It's a foam. It's probably like it's probably like the number 2 in my heart for tanners. My number 1 is the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Dry Oil. This you can put on, you can go to bed. It doesn't get on your sheets. It leaves the most beautiful glowy skin. It's my favorite. It gets me the darkest. It wears off the most evenly. I use it on my face, all over my body. It's just my all-time favorite. So this one is my like holy grail. I'm using up all my other ones and this is gonna be the only one I repurchase from here on out unless I decided to try something new. Okay, I have the conditioner in my shower still. The Kristen S Purple Shampoo, I really like this. I'll definitely repurchase it. I have a few other purple shampoos I need to use, but this one is by far my favorite. Guys, I've been using this. If you've watched me since like 6-7 years ago, It's a 10 has been like a ride or die for me. I love it. It's amazing. It detangles my hair, especially having extensions. It's so amazing. Ugh, I love it so much. I used to have the keratin one too. I need to buy this. I'm finishing up all the other leave-in treatment detanglers that I have, but then I'm repurchasing this because it's so stinking good. This I'm tossing because it smells bad. The Nourishing Cleansing Balm. First of all, I tried using this and it was like putting Crisco all over my face and it left the most disgusting film. I could not wash the film off. I've used tons of cleansing balms, cleansing oils. I know you're supposed to do it with dry face, dry hands, and that's what I do. But I could not get this to wash off. I had to actually go get a washcloth and facial soap and scrub my face to get the film off of from this. It's gross. This is a no-go. I loved this. Now the packaging gets really disgusting, but the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, I freaking love this. This was sent to me from Ren, and I heard someone else talk about it. So when I received it in PR, I was super excited to try it, and I love it. I have been using this for quite a while now. It took me a long time to use it. I love the packaging, the dispenser, but I really felt like this really did like clean. Like I use this in the morning and night, and I felt like it just got all the rest of like any traces of makeup, but it says that it exfoliates and brightens your complexion. I feel like it really did do that. I felt like while I was using this, I didn't necessarily have to use as many physical exfoliants to really brighten my skin. This is Balm. I highly recommend picking that up. Finish this up, the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Fusion. This took forever to use up. Like this took a long time, and I liked it. It says long life herb, California poppy, and lempuang, I don't know, ginger extracts. I liked it. It wasn't, I didn't see, like there's certain serums that I feel like really, I notice a difference. One of them is the Sunday Riley CEO. The other is the Sunday Riley Good Genes. Like those are two that I like have a noticeable difference when I use them. And when I stop using them, like I can tell my skin like needs them. This, I haven't been using it for a couple days. Haven't really noticed a change in my skin, but it was nice. It was a nice serum. Cake Milkmaid hand cream. It was nice. I'm not picky on my hand creams, but if you needed one, it's a decent one. The Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil from Derma E. I love Derma E products. This I went through really fast, but it was a nice cleansing oil. My favorite still is the Sephora brand, which I can't find anywhere, and the MAC Cleanse Off Oil. Those are two of my favorites. Oh, and the Cleansing Balm from It Cosmetics. The Skin Longevity Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Gel Cream. Now this I really liked. It is a gel cream. I love the smell of it, but I felt like my skin was so supple and like juicy looking the next morning. So I do miss this one. This one is something I'll definitely look into repurchasing. We have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. At first I hated this because the smell was too much like a Jolly Rancher. It was too much, but the more that I used it, the more I started to like it. I love how fine the mist is. I would possibly repurchase this, but I literally have so many facial sprays that I probably won't need to buy one for at least another year or two. But if you're looking for one, this one is a nice fine mist. I do like it, but you have to get past that like really strong watermelon scent. Sayate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Eye Patches. Love these. They look like little watermelons under your eyes, and they are so like cooling. I love them. If there's a night that I didn't get much sleep, or if like, you know, sometimes you just like need a good cry and you're all puffy the next morning, these are really great at taming down the puffiness under your eyes. Oh, I'm sad this is gone. The It Cosmetics Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base. Oh, this is a good primer. This is probably like a top 3 primer for me. I absolutely love this. I miss it. It's on my list of new primers to buy, and it's really good. This Fab Skin Lab First Aid Beauty Retinol Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid. Loved this. So good under the eyes. Oh, I miss this one too. If you're looking for a good eye cream, this one's phenomenal. This I have to talk about. I didn't use this, but Ted uses this. I gave this to him because I was like, it doesn't excite me. The packaging didn't excite me, so I gave it to Ted, and now I regret it. But I've repurchased this for him 4 times now. It's the No. 7 Perfect and Protect Intense Advanced Day Cream. He puts this on, and his skin is like, oh my gosh. Like, it is the most, his skin looks beautiful. Like, it looks hydrated and glowy and healthy. I mean, it looks phenomenal. And every time he wears this, I'm like, dang, your skin looks so good. So I want to try this for myself, but I keep repurchasing it for him. It just smells like regular lotion. But he loves this, and he won't use any of my other like creams that I have that I don't want to use. I usually just give them to him. But he's so hooked on this that he won't even use like my reject creams now. It's a 10 keratin. Again, already talked about it. Love. Okay, this is a vitamin C. No, this isn't. Yes, it is. The Revitalift Pure Vitamin C Concentrate. I used this after I finished the CEO one, which I love, from Sunday Riley. This one was okay. I don't like it as much as my Sunday Riley one, but it was nice. I love using vitamin C on my skin. I've noticed that I get the most, like it brightens and changes the tone of my skin more than any other like serums I've used. So try to find a good vitamin C serum. This one is okay, but honestly, the Sunday Riley one is my favorite. Foundations I'm tossing because I've had these for so long that I tried to wear them the other day and they smelled funny. But they're great. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and Pro Matte. You guys know I like mix these together. I've used each one on its own. I love them, but I have to toss them because I went to go use them and they were a little bit smelly. Pop Brow Pencil, amazing, love it so much. The Ferocious Brow Pencil from the Balm, also another good brow pencil. Is my first time trying it. I really like it. Precisely My Brow from Benefit, also a really good one. I go through so many brow pencils. Urban Decay Brow Beater, again, these are all very comparable. Like really, they're very comparable. LA Girl Shady Brow in Medium Brown, also really good. This is the most inexpensive one. I think this is the one that GM Beauty 89 always talks about. The Urban Decay Brow Blade, I don't use the ink stain, but the other side I love. I mean, you guys, I go through so much brow products. When you have like no brows, you go through a lot of brow. It Cosmetics Brow Power Micro, I like this one. I don't like the bigger one. I'm finding I don't like the thicker brow pencils because I just don't have enough brows to use those. I like these little ones. So clearly I've been doing my brows a lot. So finished all these. I would repurchase any or all of these because they're all really good. Inexpensive wise, the LA Girl one's the most inexpensive, the ColourPop as well, and then the rest are, I think, pretty comparable. Renaissance Flick Liner, amazing. Mine just dried out. It's probably like around $10 or so from Ulta. I like that one. The Dior Show Matte Black, I probably wouldn't repurchase this one. It's fine, but there's so many other drugstore ones that are just as good, if not better, and they're inexpensive. Too Faced Bronzer Chocolate Bronzer. I mentioned this in a recent video. I went to go use this the other day. It is the most patchiest bronzer, and it's like not a good color for my skin. So I don't know. I think I just have found other bronzers that are so much better that this just doesn't do it for me anymore. And I won't be repurchasing this. I haven't purchased one of these in forever. Too Faced would just always send it in PR and then I would use them, but I wouldn't repurchase that. Like for example, this ColourPop one in Coconut Beach is so good, and it's like probably less than $10 and it's amazing. So I'd definitely pick that up over that. A couple lash glues that dried out. The Strip Lash Adhesive from Kiss, and it's okay. It's not my favorite. The House of Lashes Lash Glue is my favorite. It's the one I continue to repurchase. I have this brow product from Chosenga. I don't know. I don't think they carry this brand at Ulta or at Sephora anymore, but it's in medium blonde. It's the totally wrong tone for my hair. But this is just so weird. It's got like a spongy tip here, and then you have the spoolie. It is incredibly difficult to do your brows with this, and I don't even think it's available anymore. So 2 mascaras. The Tightline mascara, I've talked about this 1,000,001 times. I don't know how you use this. It always seems super dried out to me and does nothing for my lashes. So I'm kind of finding them and cleaning them out. This is amazing. This It Cosmetics Lash Blowout. I love this. It dried out so fast though. I'm so bummed because I must have just used it so much that it's gone, which doesn't usually happen with me in mascaras. I usually just like get bored, so I toss them out, but this one actually is gone. Full expired MAC lipsticks. This one is in Flesh Pot. Oh geez. Yeah, it smells like Play-Doh. It's a super nudie nude. I'm gonna back to MAC that, and then Watch Me Simmer. I've had this for so long. This one is just now starting to turn, but I don't wear that color anyway, so I'm gonna back to MAC those. I finished the Laura Mercier in 1C. This used to be Holy Grail Concealer. You guys know I talked about it for months and months and months. I've just found other ones I like more. I like the Jeffree Star one more. I like this Revolution Hydrate and Conceal more. I like the new ColourPop ones and the CoverGirl ones. There's just so many other good ones that I probably will not repurchase this. I just finished up this Christian Dior. I guess this is discontinued. Their Creme de Rose lip balm, so good. I'm sad, but I love my Laneige ones too, so it's not the end of the world for me. And then I'm tossing this. This is from Illamasqua. Their Gleam in Aurora. Illamasqua, do you guys remember like when that used to be all the rage? And it just dried out. It's like a cream highlighter, but it's gotten gross. So we're saying goodbye to that one. All right, guys, that is it for my empties. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.